Here's Brenda. Here's our two doggies. Marco's around here somewhere, I know. And we're
It's
sitting here.
raining.
We're eating.
Sitting out in the rain.
We're eating here because this is one of the days. It's March, I think 19th, 2020, and it's during the COVID-19 time, coronavirus time. So everybody's pretty much staying at home, and we had a barbecue here. You can see it's still steaming a little bit right there. And then it's raining too, but it's not cold outside. I mean, although I too have my sweatshirt on, as you can see right here. Isn't that wonderful?
Come on, Abby.
Pretty though.
Come on. Abby, come here. Hey. Come on. Hey.
Where are wood Adirondack chairs?
Fred, sit there.
Yeah, there they are. There's little Susie down here somewhere.